Morning peeps. Already. Okay, it's a little bit fast. I mean, last time I didn't get it till the end of the month. So I'm surprised, but we're going to go through it. Of course, they sent HelloFresh. Pepper bras actually fit AA, A, and B cups. Meet the lift up bra. Yeah, well, that doesn't work for me, but okay. Thanks for sharing. As per usual, nothing's different. I save these. I like black. Ooh, look at. Okay, we have a set of. Somehow I feel like this was thrown together because there is no card in here telling me about anything. What the heck, Glossy Box? Okay, kit shush, and they're not connected anymore, which I don't care for these. I'm sticking them with this and they're going to get passed on, but it's not because I wore them. Okay, what do we have here? Cruelty-free and vegan. Gel liners. Crayon and gel. Laritzi. You heard of these? I've never heard of them. Of course, I'm not a makeup connoisseur. So, doesn't help. I can't believe they did not put any card in here telling me what was going on. Is this like a mad rush to get done or what? It's a brown. It's truffle. Somebody told me they liked brown. Who was it? Not me. I don't remember because I have this memory of an amoeba. So this is going to get passed on because I don't use brown. Solwasu First Care Activating Serum. Didn't I get this last month? I could have swore I got this last month. Oh, no. I was thinking it was the other one. I don't know what it was. I'm using one of them. Not impressed with the one I'm using. I don't know which one it is. This is activating serum. What's it supposed to activate? An essential anti-aging booster facial serum. Got advanced to 5th generation. Do I believe it? No, not so much. Neolastin, Revitalize and Firm Eye Cream. Come on, Glossy Box, send me some moisturizer, something I can use. Stress Check Sleep Lotion, comforting body lotion with lavender and chamomile to support a good night's sleep. I do like lotions. Cruelty-free, vegan, paraben, phthalate, and sulfate-free. I don't know. Okay, last thing. No card. I'm Glossy Box. What the heck? This is Conditioning Collagen Lash Primer. Do y'all use a primer on your lashes? Okay. No, I don't. So they're batting 0 this month. Okay, no, I got one. This one I'm keeping. The rest of it is going to get passed on, and I'm really disappointed in them this month. It irritates me when there's no card in here. I really feel like this one was just thrown together. Maybe I'm the only one who feels that way. I don't know. After last month being really late, and this one's really early. Kind of supports what I'm thinking. All right, peeps, that was it for today. Glossy Box. I hope you're doing absolutely flamazing. Stay blessed. Until next time. Hey, you made it to the end. Please hit like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.